Reading English is fun. In the last video, we learned some sounds of O mixed with D, M, N, S, T. That's odd, om, on, os, ot, do, mo, no, so, to. So, in this video, we are mixing these blends with some other letters. Before, what's this? It's B. So whenever you see B, remember ball and say B, B, B. What's this? It's C. So whenever you see a C, remember car and say K, K, K. What's this? It's F. So whenever you see F, remember a fish and say F, F, F. What is this? It's a G. And whenever you see G, remember a girl and say G, G, G. What's this? It's H. So whenever you see H, remember house and say H, H. What is this? It's J. So whenever you see a J, remember of juice and say J, J, J. What is this? It's a K. So whenever you see K, remember kite and say K, K, K. What is this? It's L. So whenever you see L, remember a leaf and say L, L, L. What is this? It's a P. So whenever you see a P, remember parrot and say P, P, P. What is this? It's R. So whenever you see R, remember rose and say R, R, R. Now shall we start? B, odd, bod. K, odd, cod. F, arm, farm. G, arm, gum. H, on, horn. J, on, John. K, os, cos. L, os, loss. P, ot, pot. R, ot, rot. Now shall we read in opposite way? Do, b, dob. Do, k, dock. Mo, f, moth. Mo, g, mog. No, h, noh. No, j, nodge. So, k, sock. So, l, sol. To, p, top. To, r, tor. Now shall we read it speedily? Bod, cod. Dob, dog. Form, gum. Moth, mog. Horn, John. Noh, notch. Cos, loss. Sock, sol. Pot, rot. Top. So there are so many such fun videos of reading in our channel. Watch it. Be a good reader. See you in the next video.